My video guide is about removing the malicious pop-ups that come from the site Fuvetod.live. Fuvetod.live. Personally, as for my particular case, I see these pop-ups quite often on the computer screen. These pop-ups by Fuvetod.live keep distracting my attention. They claim that my PC is infected with 5 viruses. These pop-ups may also display some other misleading messages that try to encourage people into clicking on this proceed button. So the purpose of these pop-ups is to scare people into interacting with them. Then after people click on that proceed button, they get redirected to some other junk sites that may promote some potentially unwanted software. At first glance, it looks as if these pop-ups try to help you. They use the names and the logos of some decent and well-known security programs, but there is no connection between these pop-ups and that decent security software. All these pop-ups by Fuvetod.live are fake, and you should not trust them. You should not interact with them. They promote potentially unwanted software that may damage your computer, so don't interact with them. We recommend you to carefully research your control panel, and if you find any suspicious programs on the list, make sure you get rid of them. So once again, look for the control panel and uninstall any programs that are suspicious, and if you find them, get rid of them. Finally, we recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help to detect and delete all other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.